Hello everyone, good evening and welcome back to my reasoning class. Today I am back with 4 new problems on blood relation. I had made another video on blood relation, you can get that in the playlist, and definitely I will make some more videos on the same topic. Okay. So now these 4 problems, I will show them one by one. I will ask you all to please pause the video, try to solve them one by one, then at the end I will explain. And please watch the video till the end to get the explanations of all the 4 problems. Okay. Now as you can see, I am new in YouTube. So if you like my videos, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because all I require is some encouragement. Okay. Today's first problem. Given that A is the brother of B, C is the father of A, D is the brother of E, E is the daughter of B, then the uncle of D is, 4 options are given. Pause the video, try to solve it. Next, number 2, Mahadev is Rajiv's mother's father. Mahadev has 3 brothers, one of them has grandson Ovi. Rajan is the son of Ovi. Rajan is related to Rajiv as brother, nephew, cousin, uncle. Okay. Next, number 3. If the uncle of the father of Rani is the grandson of the father of Anup, and Anup is the only son of his father, then how is Anup related to Rani? Grandfather, uncle, maternal uncle, great grandfather. I hope you all are getting the answers, and I'll request you all to write the answers in the comment section. Okay. Number 4, the last one. There are 6 members in a family. A is the father of D, E is the grandfather of D, B is the daughter-in-law of C, F is the uncle of D. What is the relationship of C with F? Sister, mother-in-law, nephew, data inadequate. Okay, now I will explain all the problems one by one. Number 1. A is the brother of B, C is the father of A, D is the brother of E, E is the daughter of B, then the uncle of D is A, B, C and E. Therefore, from point number 1, what we can say? A is the brother of B. Okay, therefore A and B, they both belong to the same generation, right? And as A is the brother, so he is the male person. Number 2, C is the father of A. Therefore, C belongs to the previous generation, and he is the father means he is also a male person. D is the brother of E. See, we cannot say anything about D and E here, so let's check it later. Now, number 4 is E is the daughter of B. Therefore, E belongs to the next generation of B, and as she is the daughter, therefore she is a female person. Okay. Now we can check number 3. D is the brother of E. Therefore, D and E, they both belong to the same generation, and as he is the brother of E, therefore he is a male person. Okay. Therefore, what's the question? The uncle of D is, now from here what you can see, D and E, they both are brothers and sisters, and their parent is B. B may be their father, maybe their mother. Okay. Therefore, what's the relationship between D and A? Therefore, A is the uncle. See, from here what you can see, A is the uncle of D and E. So here uncle of D is A. So here A will be the answer. Okay. Next. Number 2, Mahadev is Rajiv's mother's father. Mahadev has 3 brothers, one of them has grandson Obhi. Rajan is the son of Obhi. Rajan is related to Rajiv as. See, here we can start from Rajiv, right? Okay. Rajiv's mother. Rajiv's mother's father, her father. Mahadev is Rajiv's mother's father. Then okay, Mahadev is Rajiv's mother's father. Mahadev has 3 brothers. Brother 1, brother 2 and brother 3. Okay, Mahadev has 3 brothers. Okay, one of them has grandson Obhi. Suppose brother 1 has grandson Obhi. So, brother 1's son, he is someone, and his son, that is brother 1's grandson, he is Obhi. Okay, Rajan is the son of Obhi. Therefore, Rajan belongs to the next generation of Obhi. Okay, therefore, Rajan is related to Rajiv as Rajan and Rajiv. See, Obhi and Rajiv, they both are of same generation, right? This Rajiv and Obhi, they are of same generation, and Rajan belongs to the next generation. So therefore, Rajan is the nephew of Rajiv. Okay, from here what we can see? Rajan is the nephew of Rajiv. Very clear? So here B will be the answer. Okay, next. If the uncle of the father of Rani is the grandson of the father of Anup, and Anup is the only son of his father, then how is Anup related to Rani? Okay, so from here what we can say? See, we can start with Rani. Okay, uncle of Rani's father. Okay, now uncle of Rani's father, he belongs to the previous generation of Rani's father. Okay, now if the uncle of the father of Rani, that means this person is the grandson of the father of Anup. This person is the grandson of the father of Anup. That means 2 previous generations are there. This person is the grandson of the father of Anup. Anup's father's grandson. Anup's father. His grandson is this person. Therefore, Anup's position will be here. Anup's father's next generation is Anup, and therefore this person is the grandson of Anup's father. So now we can check. Uncle of the father of Rani, Rani's father's uncle is the grandson of Anup's father. Is it clear from the picture diagram? Uncle of Rani's father. Rani's father's previous generation is uncle of Rani's father. This person is the grandson of Anup's father. Therefore, Anup's position is here. Now, the question is, how is Anup related to Rani? So, from here we can see Rani's father, Rani's grandfather, Rani's great grandfather is Anup. Therefore, this person is Rani's father, this person is Rani's grandfather, and this person is Rani's great grandfather. So here great grandfather will be the answer. Okay. There are 6 members in a family. A is the father of D, E is the grandfather of D, B is the daughter-in-law of C, F is the uncle of D. What is the relationship of C with F? Therefore, what we can see, A is the father of D. Therefore, A belongs to the previous generation, and as he is the father, so he is a male person. E is the grandfather of D. E is the grandfather of D. Okay, so here E belongs to the previous generation of A, and he is also a male person, as E is the grandfather of D. Okay. B is the daughter-in-law of C. So from here, we cannot conclude anything right now. Later we can check. F is the uncle of D. Okay. So F is the uncle of D means F belongs to the previous generation of D and he is also a male person. Therefore, what is the relationship of C with F? Here, as the relationship of B and C is not given with the other family members, what's the relationship of B and C with the other family members is not mentioned. So here we cannot derive anything. We cannot say anything about the relationship of C with F. So here data inadequate will be the answer. Proper data is not given. So here data inadequate will be the answer. Okay. So that's all for today. Then if you like my video, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. And I'll be coming with new videos very soon. Till then, bye-bye.